Hello friends, in this lecture we will see part of operation in turning. So for part of, first I'm going to create a tool. We can use any glue tool, or from the library we can retrieve parting tool. See here we have left-handed or right-handed. So in our case I'm using left-handed. See, this is the tool. Here it is. Okay, and okay, tool is now in my list. So now go to this create operation, and my operation is this part of. So I want to separate my part from the stock, and tool is left-handed parting, and method is this group. Okay, and part of position is by default it is automatically, and if you will generate it will automatically cut, and this direction is direct, and in z direction it is exert. So here it is direct, and see. Okay, and this time I want to specify this part of position, so go to specify, and my position is this, and generate. So it will part of from here. Okay, and angle is 0, no problem. Depth clear first wall, and both wall, so no need to define, just first wall it will work. Extend distance, how much you want to extend it, so I'm going to select is 0.5. Generate direct direction, and see the tool is going beyond this axis. Okay, so this is extend distance, and geometry I have already selected, and rest option are the same which we have already done in groove. So click OK. Now I want to create the program for this, so go to this post processor and turning to axis. Okay, okay, this is the toolpath.